Yeah! Yan guys, it's a beautiful day. Fall na po. So ayan, naglaglagan na yung ating mga apple leaves. And they're collecting it while playing. Yan si Yona. Woo! Yona! So ano si Kuya Riley nila, nag-float ng leaves. Mahangin. Wow! Careful! And bumili ako ng bags kanina. Ayan, tuturo ni Ate Lexi. Whee! And ito yung binili kong plastic bag. Diba? Nalagay natin sa harapan ng bahay. Parang last year lang din. Pero mukhang mas fluffy siya this year. Sinamalt siya. So that's better. So, habang nandito yung mga bata sa labas, panonoorin ko sila sa camera dito. Ayan. Diba? Para namomonitor ko pa rin. Lalo na si Yona nandito sa may labas. Ayan. I think magkakatahod ng meat dito sa labas na lang. Kasi magluluto pa ako ng dinner. Ng oras? 5:33 na. Tapos may pasok pa ako mamaya. Ayan na si Kuya Riley. Doing his thing. Buting-ting.
It's a red pumpkin!
Pumpkin! Hi guys! Good afternoon. So, 3:42 na ng hapon. Andito ako sa Tim Hortons ngayon. Bibili lang ako ng kape kasi I need to wake up. Ang dami nating gagawin today. And madami tayong problema sa bahay. Hindi sa family, kundi sa mga kagamitan sa bahay. So, ayun, tatawag ako ng HVAC unit today kasi yung ating HVAC nag-stop mag-work and hindi ma-fix ni Atra kasi I think something about sa motherboard yung problema. Ayan, wala kaming parts. And then, makatakot din na siya yung magkalikot. Pag siya yung magkakalikot sa motherboard. So, kailangan natin ng service technician dyan. It's just para din sa safety namin. And then, isa pa, is yung sa washer namin nag-stop din nag-work. So, I don't know, like parang bigla na lang nagkasabay-sabay yung problema sa bahay. So, ayan, kaka-place lang natin na ang order natin. Itong T-Porters ito malapit lang sa amin. So, ayun, anniversary namin today. Balak sana namin magdakig kami or punta kami sa steakhouse. Yun pa rin yung balak namin. Pero we'll see. Kasi tatawag pa ako ng HVAC unit. Let's see kung what time silang makakarating sa bahay. What time matatapos yung pag-fix dun sa HVAC unit. And then, ang balak kasi namin din is pumunta kami sa store na lang. Bibili ng washer and dryer. Before kami pupunta mag-dinner. So, let's see ano mangyayari. And then, since wala tayong washer and dryer, pupunta ako ng Coin Laundry before ko pipikapin si Yona. And then, nandoon yung, yung mga laundry ko. Nasa likod lang. So, ayan, malapit na akong, makarating doon sa pag-pick up ng coffee. Diyan na siya. Yun lang. And then, may work pa ako mamayang gabi. Pang night shift na kasi ako ngayon. Nagbubuna ako ng night shift. So, daming trabaho before magtatrabaho. Hindi, skip muna ang gym ngayon today. Ayan guys, nandito na ako sa may parkingan, sa may harapan ng Coin Laundry. Isa pa pala, ang gagawin namin today supposedly is, dapat sana, kakausapin namin yung, kasi magko-callback sana siya today, yung sa Horizon solar panel. So, balak namin i-upgrade yung namin, instead of, balak namin mag-change sa solar panel instead. Kasi mas, mas magandang investment siya and stuff. Pero, I don't think na this is a good time to talk to them. Kasi nga, ang daming ganap sa bahay. So, medyo overwhelming na masyado. Kaya, maybe I'll let him know to siguro bukas or sa Friday na lang. Kasi, as in, busy talaga tayo today. So, ayan, come with me. And Nakailang sip na tayo ng coffee kaya medyo okay na yung ating pakiramdam. So, yan tayo. Punta tayo sa may West Warwick Laundromat. So, it's just 2 minutes away sa bahay natin. And ito na yung mga pa-laundry natin. Yan. Dito pa yung ano ko. So, ito yung facility, guys. Ito yung gagamitan natin. $6 per load. So, ito yung medium load nila. Yung malaki. May gumagamit ngayon. So, ito na lang gagamitin natin. Yan, load natin isa. And then, balikan natin yung isa pang basket. Ay, kapagod. Yan, so lunis ang gamit natin. And it takes 26 minutes to run. Back home. Kakalokey. So, napa-drive home ako kasi tawag niyan, binibenta kasi yung jacket na nakuha ng tatay ko sana. So, nabenta ko na. So, anyways, update. May butihing habebe. No, it's the front one. Plus, it's dark in there. That's why.
No, it's clear.
Yeah. Anyways, so
I want to do a room tour.
he's been fixing this one. So, wala kami yung parts but he glued together the pieces. So, let's see how long it's gonna hold.
Let's do a colonoscopy.
Huh?
Let's go do a colonoscopy.
Colonoscopy of the washer.
Oh, that's nasty, bro. That's so nasty.
Mm-hmm.
Can you not see it? See all this gunk? It's all gunky.
Mm-hmm. Guys, so we're back in the plaza to pick up our laundry. Kabisi ko namang tong araw na to. Yan, so na-pick up ko na yung laundry ko. Hindi ko na na-load yung isa. Buti na lang isa lang yung niload ko. Kasi, ewan ko. Let's see kung how long it's gonna last yung sa ano. Pero very nasty talaga yung laundry. Oh my gosh, I was so shocked. And mababait yung ano. Paglabas ko ng ano ganyan, merong ano, have a good day. Ganun. Mababait yung mga tao dito sa Alberta. Well, technically, pati rin sa Toronto. Pero like, more on sa Alberta, madaming mababait na tao. So, ayun. It's a good day talaga. Kasi, I met, yung bumili ng jacket ng tatay ko, or ng nanay ko. He's a good man too. Mabait din. Nakipagkwentuhan muna siya before, before siya umalis. Ganyan. Tapos, ngayon naman, pinick up ko yung laundry. May good person na naman na nag-hi. Ganon, have a good day. Ganon. Kahit na random lang na naglalagay ako ng laundry basket dito sa likod ng sakyan. So, considering sa mga nangyayari today, ganon, there's still like, you know, good people to make your day happy. So, yun. Happy! Yan guys, nakauwi na si Yona bebe. So magre-ready na kami in a few minutes. And let's see. Ew! Oh my goodness, that's so nasty.
But it just tells you that it was cleaning something.
Right? Ew. Good job, my love. So as you can see guys, it's very luma na tong machine na to. It's been here for a long time, so who knows?
He's so cute, baby. Hi. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Check it.
Ayan, sige. Happy eh. Guys, so it's 6 o'clock na ng gabi. And then we are going out. Because again, it's our anniversary today.
Anniversary?
Huh?
Anniversary.
anniversary. Yes. And ang update na sa ano nating washer natin. So the tube is leaking. So talagang pa-expire ng ating washer. So we're gonna get
I think it's from all the splashing.
From the splashing. So yeah, I think it's really need to get changed.
Doesn't need
to a new
change.
one.
You could just easily just fix it.
Yeah, fix that one, sell it or whatsoever, or like we're gonna keep it because there's a lot of us who's using the washer and dryer anyway, so we can
For like work clothes and stuff, you use this one.
yeah, exactly, because it's nasty.
For shoes and stuff. Like
Yeah.
some people use them for shoes.
So yeah, we're planning to do like a little shopping trip tomorrow.
Next month, yeah.
He doesn't know that yet, but I'm letting him know now. So we're going for a washer shopping tomorrow. And yeah.
Hi, Anna! Sagoy, baby! Oh my goodness, so cute.
So look at our color, guys. So Atra's wearing all black everything. I'm wearing all white everything. Yona is wearing pink everything.
Is she?
Yeah.
Yona, Pinky?
Pinky, pinky. So we have our own color combo.
Is it even recording? It's not recording the whole time.
Serious. I was like talking this So yan guys, so we ended up at Mr. Mike's Steakhouse Casual kasi sarado ang kacheg. So what mine, I'm getting this one, the ribeye steak, 14 ounce, traditional, with jumbo shrimp. And Jonah, and what are you getting, Habibi?
Are we getting it sharing? Hot lobster donkey?
Okay,
I think it's this one.
that one. Thank you.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
And what else?
And I was thinking about the crispy,
Shrimp sirloin.
Oh wait, they have shrimp?
Yeah.
Huh? No, I was thinking about the burger, the chicken burger.
Chicken burgers.
Crispy one.
Yeah. And Yona will be getting her own steak and fries also. Because she likes beef. Oh, just basic coloring. And we're ready. Got ourselves some drinks. Guys, tilantakan na namin. But we have the lobster dip. Lobster dip?
Yeah.
Yeah, lobster dip for now. Yeah. Ayun, kikain natin. So, gusto din ni Yona. This is Yona's food, guys. So she's having steak. Yeah. And then chicken tenders and fries. Yum. Yum, yum. So I have the ribeye steak, mashed potato, and shrimp. And after I get the burger. Itadakimasu. Happy anniversary, my love. Love you.
I love you too.
So today is a very, very busy day kasi my as you may know, we're trying to get solar panels para sa bahay. Nagkasabay-sabay kasi yung gastos or like yung problema. So today, as you may know, nag-apply kami ng solar. We're trying to get solar panels. Today may darating na inspection or mag-i-inspect ng bahay to see if it's a great fit pa to put panels and stuff like that. So ang cost niyan to get inspected, that is the first step actually, is to get it inspected. Meron na kaming kausap na dealer or like salesperson. Contact natin is Horizon. Nakuha ko yung number from sa kapitbahay namin na nagpakapit din. Darating siya ng 1 o'clock and he said that it may take about an hour and a half or so to inspect the whole house. Pina-off nila yung furnaces and everything para daw basta may check sila sa baba kung okay ba yung siguro yung pressure and stuff like that. So yung pangalan pala ng mag-inspect ng bahay today is they're from Inner Home, and ang cost ng inspection today is 450 plus, and then second inspection pagtapos na yung installation at and stuff like that, ang cost naman ng inspection na yun is 250 something. So, medyo magastos sa una, pero in the long run kasi maganda yung solar. Tingnan nyo guys, kahit na fall na, malamig ng weather, okay po yung mga halaman ng nanay ko. Buhay na buhay pa. Yung mga nandun medyo papatay na. Pero, yan guys. And, sorry, medyo messy. Kasi Halloween, so inahayaan namin yung mga leaves na nag-scatter dyan. Yung iba, kinolekta namin, nilagay namin dyan sa bag na yan. Oh. Ayan, yan yung harapan ng bahay ngayon. Since Halloween, may pakamay doon. Oh. Ano pala yung nasira is, kasi dual yung heating ano namin. Dalawa yung furnace namin. Yung sirang heater is yung main floor, for the main floor and sa basement. Yung sa taas, yung sa mga kwarto sa taas, okay pa siya. Hindi siya sira. Our baby's awake now. Yeah. So, we're gonna try to access this attic.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Mineasure niya yung bawat windows. Sorry, kwarto ay magulo ngayon. Diyan, lahat ng windows mineasure niya. And, tinitignan din niya yung pressure ng bahay. And then also sa main floor mamaya. So, ngayon punta siya ngayon sa may attic. Mag-take ng pictures. And last test ata yung sa main floor. Magbo-blow siya ng hangin. Ganun. To check kung meron bang, kung okay ba yung pressure sa main floor.
Is not enough. This thing.
Dito kami natambay. Mag-i-inspect sila dun. Tugaw na ni. You like it? Oh.
I want to get one.
Ayan guys, so nilalagyan na nito. Ito yung blower nila. So, still ongoing guys. So, ayan guys, tapos na yung inspection. So, ayun, it takes about 1 to 2 days pa before matapos yung report and they will send me an email. Ayan guys, so we ordered a new, what do you call this one? Rubber boot.
Washer boot.
Washer boot?
This springs I was talking about. See, this is what suspends it, right?
Yeah.
And then these ones are the bottom ones that like. So when it's vibrating, it doesn't vibrate because it will go like this, right? It'll dampen it.
Yeah.
These are like.
So this one's really better than this one.
Yeah, look.
That's good then.
I don't know. I didn't take one out yet, so. I'm just about to take one out.
Meow.
You have a bucket?
A bucket?
There's still water in here.
The mini one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Watcher has been cleaning the washer. Ang dami talagang dumi. So, ito pa kasi galing pa. Yeah, holes that's clogged. Galing kasi ito sa dating may-ari ng bahay na to. And hindi talaga pala nalinisan. Dapat nilinisan namin. Update guys. Okay na siya. Nalinis na din. May bagong gasket. Ay, gasket? Rubber na siya. Diba? Good as new. Wala nang moldy rubber. Look at this guys. Atra hang a hammock there. Yeah. Woohoo! Just enjoy. Oh, go to sleep. Go to sleep. It's just that the thing. No, she didn't poop. The only thing is that like the string is too wide.
Yeah. We're gonna get the fabric one. You can make a fabric one. Yeah! I should have done this a long time ago. I'm gonna enjoy it more now.
You like it? Oh, what happened? Oh.
You're not in it,
Wrong way, wrong way. Look at that, guys. Oh, she can fall asleep just like this. Now the problem is, she won't want. She's not gonna come down now. Yeah, she can sleep like that too.
Guys, instead of going buying cribs,
Mm-hmm.
this is what you need to get. A hammock, a pillow, and a baby. Never bought? And by the way, you could always, like, right now, this